Hello everyone, welcome back to TechPorn, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to get access to Blinkist. Blinkist occasionally offers free trials for new users. Visit the official Blinkist website and check whether a trial offer is currently available. If eligible, create an account and activate the trial. During the trial period, you can explore Blinkist summaries and learning content. After the trial ends, a subscription is generally required to continue accessing premium features. Availability and duration of trials may vary by region, and that's how to access Blinkist through official trial offers. If this video helped, follow us for more tips and tutorials.